time on home video. It's the rip-snorting animated adventures of America's favorite mouse, Fievel's American Tales. Featuring 2 complete episodes on each cassette. These wonderfully animated programs will stampede into stores hot on the trail of Fievel's 2-hit feature films, An American Tale. And In American Tale, Fievel Goes West.
He's the bravest, roughest, toughest, sharpshooting cowboy ever to ride across the range.
Join Fievel and his lovable pal Tiger in 6 of their wildest and woolliest adventures. There's Babysitting Blues and The Legend of Mouse Hollow.
The Headless Horse Cat.
The Gift and A Case of the Hiccups. The Lost Mother Lode. And that's what friends are for.
You're the bestest pal a mouse could ever have.
These adorable collectible videos are perfect for every child's video library.
That gold is as good as ours.
So saddle up for fun as America's biggest little cartoon hero hits the trail to adventure.
Giddy up, Tiger.
Fievel's American Tales on video cassette at a collectible price. Collect the entire series.